Welcome to our channel.
Kanalımıza hoş geldiniz.
I hope it's free. Because I wait, I need to drive myself.
No way. I'm so excited. So.
Video çekebiliyor musun? Teşekkürler. Guys, as you see, 360 view, panoramic view. Yes. So, Ottoman soldiers, new Turkish people. Hello everyone, we are in the Topkapı now. We was walking in the rainy day.
Today is crazy rainy, guys.
Yeah, we wasn't expect we decided to turn back home. So we want to show you these towers. Actually, Istanbul was end here before. This is the ending of Istanbul, you know.
Yeah.
And
So beautiful.
it's beautiful over that, and too much rain here.
Ah, that is baby.
Of course, they need black customer. Mozungu.
But I'm not. I'm taking it down. I'm not going to
Yeah.
taxi.
By the walking, our plan was walking that and showing you the history, guys, here. But today is too much rainy, and I see the entrance is closed. Before was we can enter this forest from that corner, and inside we can walk. But it looks like it's closed. Yeah, Izmir we cannot do that thing, so we decide to walk and showing you this side. No, let's show this side. This side at least you can see historical buildings. This is the actually is a barricade. Barricade for the end of Istanbul. Here is defending Istanbul like this from here. So now we are outside of Istanbul. That side, you see, when you pass inside. Now we are outside. We are showing you the beautiness. What do you think, Flora?
So beautiful, crazy.
Yeah, Istanbul is crazy history also. So because of the rain, no one come actually. We don't know the raining. In the morning it wasn't rain actually. Yeah, it's depend of your luck. So guys, I don't want to get close more because it's already wet here. So as you see, mostly broken.
So guys, what do you think about this historical building?
Yeah, it's all behind. This is the history of Istanbul, you know. You cannot find this kind of place. Actually, only have China. This tall. This is going until the sea, guys. If you walk on it, you can go to until the seaside. Is was the here is Topkapı. Let's show the.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that was so much nice.
So let me show you guys around. Simply inside of a beautiful park, made by the government, with by beautiful Flora. Flora, are you beautiful?
No, of course.
Yes. So, as you see, some car is passing, but we are in safe zone. It's a very protected, well protected area, made by the government. Actually, you can come here with the family.
Wow.
This is government design here.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
What the? No, they put this one.
This is actually when earthquake happened, people was collecting here. This is palm tree and other stuff is here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. What they do inside there?
This is earthquake. When earthquake happened, yeah, shaking. Government have a container there for protecting people for inside many things.
Can they go inside?
Yeah. So government built here for the people which is enjoying the walking actually. Look, if we walk, this video going to be too long because it's going to until the seaside. So my decision, around neighborhood, as you see, too much rainy day. So anytime it's going to be increased. So we are making the safety for us. So Flo, let's pass to the side. No, you want to go there?
No, I need you to come in this side.
Okay, let's go a little bit and turn back after that. Tamam mı?
Okay.
So this one for birds. Government putting it. Yeah, is eatable.
No.
Is apple. No, this is for bird. Is apple taste. Is baby apple.
Really? possible way?
Yes, yes. Look, eat crispy apple. You can eat with the seeds. Golma putting this one. No, you can eat. It's not dangerous.
Ah, the point.
No, the government putting this for bird because winter time is opened and give to the food for the bird. Take one, guys. Let's see. My Flora is
I'm
eating.
eating in bird food.
It's fruit. Hey.
Yes, feed it. It's a bracket inside. Eh. Maybe animal inside.
No, baby. That.
Yes.
Flora complain. Maybe animal inside. She's spit out. So, I think in far it's more good looking. Look,
Yes.
these towers.
More capturing.
So when you come to Istanbul, guys, if you are tourist, you need to visit this site also. You know,
top
non-touch historical site, and also is not touristic. Tourist doesn't come here, so it's mean you're gonna have the unique content. Is beautiful.
So it means
Beautiful
this is the
part.
hidden place.
Yeah, hidden place. It's like secret,
We will have taken
beautiful
this one
hidden
far.
place. Oh, let me turn like you. You see, this is a big, nice walking way, and everything, and big historical forest is the, you know, wall. They say the wall, yeah.
Where
Big
is the
wall,
park?
Istanbul wall. When you come to Istanbul, it's 15th century. Without permission, you can pass this wall. See, this is the watchtower. Every 200 meters, as you see.
Baby, Raf, we're gonna
It's
get
big.
to go your head.
So, is rain is coming too much now.
Let's go.
We are returning. Aye.
So guys, sorry, the rain
So-
today is crazy. Look,
so-
I'm wearing my shopper.
So Jim doesn't
My-
wear because
my-
Jim Flora was saying to me wear, but I didn't listen, of course. I see the Flora.
He
I
didn't
know
listen
better.
to me, so
I know better. I am the man. I say like this. I am the man. I hit
okay,
my leg
now-
like this.
Okay, come on.
I am
Now
the
you
man.
Know better.
So-
You know better.
Yeah.
Look at this, the rain.
Yeah. So guys, you have fun?
Yes.
You have music card. So guys, while we walking, we see the some museum. It's interesting. I find also historical canon. So let's go simply check it out.
Panorama. Wow.
Panorama Tarih 1453 is mean Istanbul conquered by the Fatih Sultan Mehmet in that time.
No, some people say.
So here is exit. See the, I think we're gonna find the entrance. If it's exit here, entrance should be other side. So guys, let me show the cannons. This is big cannons. They are broken to that wall with this. They're putting the big thing inside and shot to this big wall for breaking it. So in or behind, this cannon was broken that walls, guys. Flora, say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
So
Welcome back.
look, it's bigger than Flora actually. Look. So in the rain time we find something. Okay, let's go to find the entrance also.
Yes. Let's go down.
Yeah, we are going down. I hope someone doesn't say to us this is forbidden area why you come. Last time we go to one museum, the soldiers were stopping us
Yeah.
for telling us this cannot be entered. Okay, let's show you guys old Istanbul because we saw in the wall old Istanbul. Okay, this is the mosque. As you see, ships, old ships is
Okay.
big Istanbul sign. They have the wall painting here. We are going to find the entrance. Flora gets scared. So entrance there, babe. Let's go to entrance.
So this dog is gonna catch us.
No, it's not ever shouting us.
Maybe you're fun.
So Flora scared.
I'm scared this dog can catch us, guys. No one around, so maybe. Oh.
So we are like kind of crazy. Flora shoes is fake. So guys, we find a nice fountain here. Ooh, nice fountain and bridge also there. You want to see the bridge?
Of course, let me check at this. Let me show also the audience,
Yes.
the view. So beautiful here.
Take here 1 minute. Devra. Not only there with us together. So
guys,
nice
what do you
fountain.
think about this area.
Yeah.
For me,
We
I
lose
like-
and we find the bitterness.
Yes.
Nice historic
Ooh,
Things.
bizarre.
two different
Different way.
bridge. Look, water is passing here. Coming from this side. Hey, it's really nice. Look.
Yes.
Ooh. Go.
Interesting, babe.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
interesting.
Actually, you know, we need to come to really summertime. Yeah, I mean not raining time.
Yeah,
We make mistake. But I see government make it here beautiful thing. Huh.
Summertime is the best.
Yeah. So guys, when you come Istanbul, don't miss out this spot, because as you see, it's business here, and we find one museum. If you don't like museum, you can see the historical wall. Inside, you can walk in the other side, and they have something here. I don't know, sitting place. So that's it, guys. Let's go to museum now. We will tell you the pricing. Maybe it's for free, Evan.
Ah, free music.
Yeah, we
No,
don't know yet.
No free music, babe.
Sometimes it's for free.
For
Let's
tickets,
see.
maybe.
Yeah, government sometimes make for free. Let's see price. At least we can learn the price.
For everything free is fake.
Why they make this big building here for
Because
fake?
everything is fake, babe. You think everything is
Here
quality.
here is everything is also quality. Look, the couple is going to museum. So let's see what's going on there.